One.
Game on! Game on! Game on!
Lead the charge, my children! You got a medic?
Yes.
Why don't you say a little more?
With the gang.
Go, 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 go! Contact! Moving back! Go, go, go.
I can't shoot through that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 45. Go.
Have those dead drag on. We'll have to do something about that Jimmy. Moving.
You need revive?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Oh, you got it. Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 45. Go.
Up there, let's go, go!
They're shooting from up.
Headshot.
I just got sniped. I'm sorry, brother.
Can I drag you over there?
Yeah, you can drag me.
I see them, they're moving up through the bushes.
Oh, yeah. Medic.
Other medic, right where, by you.
I got sniped again.
43, 44, 45.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm going back now. Oh, I have no idea.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
They were coming.
3, 4, 4, 4, 5.
Red bag.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 45.
Yo, watch out. It's not that. Yo, what the fuck? Hey, you guys go back. You not hide behind dead guys.
Got him.
No, they can't. That was a fucking punk ass move. Hey! Now on, stand close to the bushes. And then two guys.
Giveaway, which once again is brought to you by our newest sponsor, FoxAirsoft.com. This time they're giving away an HK G28, which is the flagship gun from Elite Force's Proline Series AEGs, and features a custom gearbox, fully licensed HK trademarks, and a custom stock. Now the giveaway only lasts until February 22nd of 2016, so make sure you sign up ASAP using the link in the description.